So here are some of the things I know we're having difficulties with when it comes to our installation. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to conquer all of that. So if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. Hi guys, I'm Black. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Igwefo. So in today's video, I have the gorgeous Isabella here on my channel. So we're going to be installing what I call the jeans lace on Isa. So the first time I installed this hair on her, it was for her birthday shoot, and then I've not really upgraded my style of frontal installation. But since I have now, I'm going to be using the same hair, to do my upgraded type of installation on Isa. So I went on to use the Love Beauty Hold Spray to tame down her edges because we don't need those glue on her edges. So I and Isa were so particular about hairlines and how you protect the hairlines from damaging. So I am going on to use my hand dryer now to press down the hair so it can be tamed down properly. To get my wig cap, so this is the regular wig cap, it's not the HD one, but I have a video of an updated how to do balding, which I'm going to leave up here so you guys can go watch it. So in that video I used the HD wig cap, the very thin one. So but for today we're using the regular one so that if you don't have the thin one, you'll be able to work on the regular one when you have a client you want to work on. So I'm going to go ahead and get the Love Beauty Hold Spray and just spray it on the hair. So I just asked Isa to raise her head so that the spray won't fall on her face, because this girl here is a skincare girl, so I don't want any product on her face.
Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway.
So yeah, I'm done cutting. I'm going to then pull out the excess one from her face and then carefully drag it on top of her head and then leave it there. So next up, I'm going to get my powder and then get her shade and tone the cap a bit. So the reason why I like to use powders to tone is because it's very light. It's not as heavyweight as foundation. So I'm going to just pat it into the cap. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to get my face wipes and then wipe out the excess product on her face. So I'll be using the Love Beauty skin protectant spray to dark her skin. So I always say this whenever I do frontal videos, try and use your skin protectant spray so that you can protect the person's skin from any irritation. So I'll also be using the glue from Love Beauty, and then I'm going to just put a little like that and then spread it out with my rattle comb. So I'm not really a glue person, so I'm very light-handed when it comes to glue application. So this is the only glue we're going to use for this video, and trust me guys, it's going to stick down, you know, perfectly.
Set the potato.
As it clears, I'm going to get my hand dryer. Now I'm going to put it in low heat and just blow dry it fast, just as seen in the video. So next up, I'm going to get the hair and then carefully, you know, place it on the part where I have the glue and then tie it. So now it seems, or it's looking like the hair is going to be too forward, but trust me, we're going to cut out the excess lace from the hair, because one, somebody used it after that shoot and the person, I don't know what the person did to the hair, but we actually lost some strands in front, and the person did a different cut for this hair, but that's by the way. So since we're trying to like mimic, you know, people's hairlines these days, because that's what frontal should be, you know, meant for, so I'm going to be, you know, mimicking Issa's hairline just to make sure this hair looks really natural on her. So I went on to press down carefully and then push back all the strands that are falling on the face, because we wouldn't want to tie down on the lace. So I'm going to get my band and then tie it.
I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside.
So I'm going to be taking out the excess lace and then follow her hairline just like I said I was going to do, and then I'm going to bring out some hairs just to mimic her hairline and then cut it if it's not useful.
To and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again. Sunlight that always stays in about the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. Living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I get the bed,
So you guys, this is what it looks like now. So I'm going to be ventilating some hairs. You guys can see that part really don't have strands on it, it's empty. So I'm going to be doing like one strand each, so it can give me that scantiness and realistic look.
You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo.
So feel free to run your eyes through it just to make sure you are not leaving any parts open.
For me, don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Okay, so you guys, I keep saying it's okay not to have glue on some parts than having so much glue that you need to start cleaning. So to avoid all of that, we're going to be getting a needle, and then we're going to just follow it and then do the application carefully. So once it clears, I'm going to just run my blow dryer on it on warm air and then place it down and tie it.
For you try being on your own side for once, but sometimes you fall. 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 Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So I'm going to be using the Love Beauty wax stick. So I'm just going to apply it lightly on the hair, and then I'm going to get my Andy's hot comb and then tame the hair down. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get my milk spray and then spray on my brush, push in the hairlines just to make sure it's tamed down properly, and then I'm going to then get my milk spray on the lace. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to tie it and then just blow dry it for like 1 minute and then loosen it.
Really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying.
So I have this water bottle I pierced and poured water in it. It's a regular table water bottle. So because I can't find my spray bottle because I'm not really unpacked, so we're going to be using this. So I like to use water first on the hair. So this method helps to, like, you know, make the hair rather to retain moisture. So after doing this, I'm going to get my Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 leave-in conditioner and then spray on the hair. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to just walk in with my hairbrush to make sure it detangles the hair very well.
Get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes.
Okay, so to define the curls, we're going to be using the anti-jerky curler. So I like to put enough in the hair so it can help define the curls very well.
Ooh, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall.
So can you guys now see how yummy the hair is looking? So but we're not done yet. I'm going to get my Tresemme oil just to leave the hair all shiny and luscious. I'm just going to put some of the oil, a little actually, and then walk my hands through it. We're going to be doing all back just as Issa requested, but I want to show you guys what the scalp looks like. So this is the advantage of doing the bulb method. So it leaves the scalp looking like it's the person's scalp when you part the hair. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you want to see here on my channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.